Good morning students. Now today we will discuss next chapter, new chapter, chapter 7 in your book, linear equations and one variable. See, what is the meaning of linear? We already studied about the degree of a polynomial. हमने पढ़ा है polynomial. Suppose I write down x plus 7. Then it is a polynomial, yes, because one variable and in this variable power is whole number. Nothing means here power is 1. So it is a polynomial. And in this polynomial, what is the degree? Degree of this polynomial also, this is 1 and here no variable, so power 0, so it means degree is 1. So any polynomial, if it has degree 1, it means this type of polynomial is called linear polynomial. It means there, and linear means this is linear. For these type of polynomial we will use. Second thing, one variable. One variable, it means we are using only x, only y. Suppose I write down y plus 3. 2y plus 7, then only one variable 2a plus 3. If I write down xy plus 7, it means it is not in one variable, it is in two variable. So linear means degree 1, polynomial degree should be 1. One variable means there should be only one variable. Now what is the meaning of the equation? What is the meaning of this equation? Equation means any statement which shows the equality. It means if we are comparing two sides, then they both should be equal. Then we can say this is an equation. So in equation we take two parts. One part is called LHS, that is left hand side, and another part is called RHS, that is right hand side. LHS left hand side, RHS right hand side. If we are showing this sign equal, it means this become an equation. Suppose I write down 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we know that 2 plus 3 5 and this is also 5. It means, and it show the equality. This is called equality equation. If I am writing like this, 2 plus 3 greater than 4, or maybe I write down 2 plus 3 less than 5, maybe I write down 2 plus 3 does not equals to 6. So these type of sign less than, greater than, not equal to, this is inequality or inequations. But a statement which has the equal sign, it means it is equation. Any statement if has the equal sign, it means it is called an equation. Or linear equation means degree of this equation. Whenever we will make the equation, it has some unknown quantity. We will find out the value of this unknown quantity. Suppose I write down x plus 3 is equal to 5. तो if we want to solve mentally, means 3 में क्या add किया जाए कि हमें 5 मिल जाए, then we can easily say that if I add 2, then it becomes equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It means here x value become 2. So any value which satisfy our equation is called root or solution of an equation. It means in this equation I can write down x is equal to 2 is a root or solution of this equation. So what is the root or solution? Any value which satisfy the equation is called the root or solution of an equation. Now see the procedure how to solve an equation, simple equation. If any simple equation given to you, then how to solve an equation? See, for solving the equation, we can, if we add something, then we add both sides equally. Subtract something, then subtract, do subtraction both sides equally. Multiplication, division, it means any operation whichever we perform, we will perform LHS and RHS side both. What is the meaning of this? See here, for this, with the simple equation, suppose I write down x plus 3 is equal to 7. I want to solve this equation. Mentally I can solve easily this equation कि 3 में क्या ऐड किया जाए कि 7 मिल जाए, obviously 4. But how to solve this equation algebraically? In this C, with this unknown quantity, there is one thing, that is plus 3. So if we want to remove this plus 3, it means we have to do something, subtract, and whenever we subtract, then we will subtract both sides. So we can write down by subtracting 3 both sides. Now solve it. This plus 3 minus 3, it means it is cancel out, then it remaining only x is equal to 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. It means what is the solution of this equation? That is x is equal to 4, or we can say x is equal to 4 is the root of this equation. Similarly, something is in negative. Suppose I write down x minus 5 is equal to 10. Then how to solve? Now something here in subtraction. For removing the subtraction value, we will do add something, add the equal thing. It means add both sides, or whenever we perform any operation, we will perform both sides. It means plus 5 here add and plus 5 here. Minus 5 to 5 cancel, then it becomes x, 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So what is the answer? X is equal to 15 is the root of this equation. You can verify also your result. Verify, verification. Put LHS side, LHS is equal to x minus 5, that is 15 minus 5 is equal to 10, which is equal to RHS. So it means LHS is equal to RHS here. So this verify our result. Similarly, we can say suppose 5x is equal to 20. Now with unknown variable, there is a 5 in its multiplication. So we want to remove this value. So what we will do? We will do division. So by dividing same value, it means by dividing, we write down dividing by 5 both sides. Then what we will get? 5x divided by 5, 20 divided by 5. 5 to 5 cancel, x is equal to 5 for the 20. It means x is equal to 4 is the root of this solution. Of this equation. Similarly, if I write down x by 5 is equal to 10. Now with this unknown variable, there 5 is in division. So what we will do? In division, then we will do multiplying by 5 both sides. Then x by 5 multiply by 5, 10 into 5, 5 to 5 cancel, x is equal to 10 5s are 50. So we can say our solution is x is equal to 50. This is mentally method or simple method, we can say how to solve an equation. The same question, it means firstly whenever we have something in addition, then we will do subtraction. Whenever we have something in addition, we will do subtraction. Subtraction, then we will do addition. Multiply, then we will do division. Division, then we will do multiply. So these type of operation we will perform for solving an equation. This is called the simple process. Now see what is the transposing method for these type of simple problems. Transposing method, it means we are changing the things from left hand side to right hand side. Whenever something positive we will take in, we are changing the side LHS to RHS, then addition becomes subtraction, subtraction become addition, multiplication things become division, and division thing become multiplication. See here, suppose in the simple thing I write down x plus 5 is equal to 10. Then for simple transposing, this is in plus, unknown variable we will put on the place, and this quantity we want to change here from like term. So this plus 5, when you will change the side, firstly come this term, then this plus 5 come in minus 5, then our answer directly become x is equal to 5. Similarly, see, if I write down this one, x minus 5 is equal to 10. So this one is minus, then if you change the side, 10, this minus change into the plus, then x value is equal to 15. Suppose something is in multiplication. So this 5 is in multiplication of this, then x is equal to 15. In this it will come in division. Then your answer will be 3. Similarly, if I write down x by 5 is equal to 15. Here it is in division. When you change the side, then it will come in multiplication. Then this type we will solve this equation. This is a simple, when you have variable, simple equations. Now see more examples. Suppose it is given to you that with variable both sides present, then what you will do? Suppose write down 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. Suppose firstly this type of mixed we can say operations how to perform. 2x plus 5 is equal to 3. Now see, if you see properly, with this variable, this 2 is in multiplication, it means somehow we will perform division, and this plus 5 is in addition, then somehow we will perform subtraction. Then see, both method I am solving simple method. For solving the simple method, see, if we want to remove this plus 5, then what we will do? Do minus 5 both sides, that's subtracting 5 both sides. Now see, 2x plus 5 minus 5 cancel out, 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. again this is not only x, this is 2x. It means we will perform one more operation here. Here 2 is in multiplication. It means divide by 2 both sides. (2x upon 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 2, that is x is equal to minus 1. This is our answer. So we will get x is equal to minus 1. Now see, this is simple process by doing addition, division both sides. Now see the transposing method, how to apply it. Firstly, we will solve always addition, subtraction procedure. Then after we will check multiplication and division. It depends on the question also. See here, 2x plus 5. Then with firstly it means we have to solve for the 2x. For 2x there is plus 5. When you transposing, then become it is equal to minus 5. Then it is become 2x is equal to minus 2. Now see here, this is in multiplication. It means we have to, when you transpose it, then it will come in division. Then your answer is minus 1. So in transposing method we will do like this. One more example, see. Suppose it is given to you 3x minus 7 is equal to 5 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Now see, for solving this equation 3x minus 7 by 2 is equal to 5. By simple method, here 2 is in division. We want to remove it, then we have to multiply by multiply to both sides, because it is in multiplication of whole. 3x minus 7 divided by 2 multiply by 2, 5 into 2. 2 to 2 cancel out, then it becomes 3x minus 7 is equal to 10. Now it is same type of question as we solved earlier. Here minus 7, if we want to solve it, minus 7 both sides we have to add plus 7. Then it becomes 3x minus 7 to 7 cancel, 17. Now in the next, 3 is in multiplication. Then 3x upon 3 is equal to 17 upon 3. 3 to 3 cancel, then it becomes x is equal to 17 by 3. This is our answer. This is a simple method. If we want to solve it by the transpose method, then see, in transpose method 3x minus 7 by 2 is equal to 5. Here 2 is in division of the whole equation. It means for solving it we have to do multiplication. 5 into 2, then it becomes 3x minus 7 is equal to 10 directly. Now this one is minus 7. When you change the side, then it will come in plus 7. Same type of term we will solve firstly. Then 3x is equal to 17. Now we need only the value of x, but 3 is in multiply of it. So when you change the side, then it will come in division. Then your answer become x is equal to 17 by 3. We will solve more equation related to this transposing method, more type of equation in our next lecture. Thank you.